Hi, I'm Dawnbowery. This is my final project for CS50. I'm a photographer here in Los Angeles and I have a lot of files and lots of drives, and it gets really difficult to keep track of what is backed up and where. So I decided for my final project to create Dawnbowery Photography Database, which will help me store and keep track of my files, where they are, when they were backed up, and the status. Let's go ahead and log in. The register and log in section is the same as the finance project, so I won't go through that, but it works exactly the same. So I've previously created a username, Dawn Test, so we'll log in with that. I'm not going to save it. There's just 2 entries. If we want to add an entry, I'm going to add in a name. Click on add. Let's add, let's say, Paris. I'm not sure if it's backed up. It's going to be personal work in the personal category. Let's hit register, and we see immediately it's successfully added, and we can see there are now 3 entries in the database. If we want to now update the status of that, we go to the update menu, enter the file name, choose a backup status and click update. If we went to the update, didn't enter anything, we'd get an error message. If we didn't select the backup, we would get an error message. If we go to the contents, we can see the current status of the database and everything that's in there. We can also search based on name, drive, category, or the backup status. For example, if we want to see what is on the work drive, we select. This was 2022, and there we have the entry. If we want to select what's in the personal category, for example, we can see that too. If we now want to remove an entry, just go to the remove, enter the file, click remove, and there we see the name has been removed from the database. There is a message to tell us so, and the database is updated. So that's pretty much it. If fields aren't entered, there is an error message. For example, if we go to add a new file, and we don't enter one of those fields, I'm going to get an error message. That's everything here. If we log out, we're back to the register and log in. Note that these change. If you are logged in, the register button will not appear and the log out button will be there. For future versions, I want to add more functionality, drop down menus. I can always add more drives, more categories, and the project can grow. Thank you so much for the course. I've loved every minute of it. You've been a great team of teachers and really inspired me to get into my programming. Thank you.